How to change sensitivity in Roblox Mobile. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the phone sensitivity while playing Roblox on your phone. So first thing you do is open up Roblox Mobile and make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you play any game here, you should be able to change your sensitivity in game, but if you don't have that option, you're going to have to change it via your phone settings. So if you want a smoother experience while playing games, you can open up your settings menu and then find the developers option right at the bottom. If you don't know how to turn it on, we've already made a video about it. You just have to go to your software information, long press on the build number and keep tapping on it and it will be unlocked here. Now you're going to have to find something called width here. So you can change that setting, change the number to change its sensitivity. So it's going to be a minimum width right here. It's 440 GP. So you can change this and increase this number. So let me just change this to, let's say, 550. Tap on OK. The scaling will be a bit different. Everything will be tiny, but it will increase the sensitivity of your game. So let me just go and open my Roblox right here. So I'm just going to tap on Roblox and it's going to automatically increase my sensitivity. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you and I'll catch you guys on the next one.